I want to thank you all for coming and participating in the City of Mississauga's Economic Development Office's Building Skill Talent Together. This event is for you, our Mississauga manufacturers, and it's a chance for you to network and find solutions to the talent-related challenges and opportunities that you have.
To our manufacturers and the numerous organizations in attendance, your presence here highlights the importance of talent as a key driver to our advanced manufacturing success. So today is an important conversation, one of many conversations our city is having with members across our advanced manufacturing sector to help meet the challenges of today and those that lay ahead. And I trust today's conversations will spark new partnerships, help connect business with talent providers, and last but not least, create the conditions needed for Mississauga to continue to compete and excel on the world stage.